Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is our common greetings to greet you. Okay, good morning and welcome to Wonogiri, especially in here, Wuryantoro. Ladies and gentlemen, how are you today? Okay, I'm fine and I hope you all fine too until the end of the vacation. Okay, how's your trip? Great. I'm happy to hear that. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, have you visited Wonogiri before? Okay, no? Okay, if this is your first time visited the Wonogiri, I hope you are. I do believe that you all enjoy and have a great experience in here and satisfied with me. Now, before we start the vacation in this place, let me introduce myself. I will be your tour guide today. My name is Winanda Santi Hutami. It is my pleasure to be your tour guide today. So I hope you will enjoy this vacation and get great experience and get the knowledge, get the entertain in this place. Okay, let's go walk around the place. Okay, now today you all and me will walk around and have vacation in the Indonesian Puppet Museum or Museum Wayang Indonesia. So let's go there. So let's go around this place. This is a Museum Wayang Indonesia or Indonesian Puppet Museum, which is a puppet museum located in Wuryantoro district, Wonogiri Regency, Central Java Province, Indonesia. The distance from the city is about 15 kilometers and can be reached by private vehicles in less than 13 minutes. This museum was founded during the reign of Regent Pukuk Purnomo Siti, who was also the puppeteer in Wonogiri district. The Indonesian Puppet Museum is located within the Pak Beitani Padepokan Komplek Prawiro Wiharjo in Wuryantoro Sub-District, Wonogiri Regency, on Jalan Raya Wonogiri Pasimantoro, kilometer 13. And this place is inaugurated by Mrs. Megawati Soekarno Putri, President of the Republic Indonesia at the time, on September 1, 2004. The museum is managed by the Wonogiri Regency Education Office and is open every working day from Monday until Saturday from 7 until 2 p.m. Ladies and gentlemen, it is called the Indonesian Puppet Museum because it has a collection of puppets not only from Central Java but also from the other regions in Indonesia, namely West Java and Bali. Okay, let's go there. The number of collection owned is 200 pieces of Purwa leather puppets, Wayang Golek, Balinese puppet, Lidik puppets, Wayang Sukat or puppet grass, Wayang Beber from Bali, masks, and Goenggang puppets. Okay, visitors, look at this. There is also the smallest smart painting measuring 3.3 cm by Ki Joko Sutejo, who received an award from Muri in August 1998. Some of the collection were a gift from Hajim Pukuk Purnomo Siti, the region of the Wonogiri, including the Semar puppet made in 1716 from Batu Wonogiri, which is also the oldest collection of the Indonesian Puppet Museum. The Semar puppet was previously used for the worship of Ki Warsino Kuno Sukasno ancestor during the Kartosuro Kingdom. There are also the Limbu and Changi puppets, which is Mr. Bekuk always uses when participating in a puppet show as a means of communicating with residents. Then, look at here. The entire puppet collection consists of wayang kulit purwo, wayang beber, wayang golek, Balinese wayang, wayang kulite, wayang sukrat, wayang kumpeni, wayang topeng, and wayang wahyu. The oldest collection belonging to the Indonesian Wayang Museum is the 1716 Semar puppet. The 300-year-old puppet was a gift from the former region of Wonogiri, Bekuk, Purnomo City. The museum, which is located on Jalan Wonogiri, Wuryantoro, kilometer 13, also has a small painting measuring 3 cm. Okay, the painting above was awarded the Indonesian Record Museum or MURI as the smallest painting and now just 1998. So, ladies and gentlemen, the interest ones is this is ever be the house of the second president of the Republic Indonesia, Mr. Suharto. And this is a wooden bench that was occupied by Mr. Suharto. It's be his house when he studied at the Wuryantoro Village People's School or SR, which is now SDN 1 Wuryantoro or Elementary School 1 Wuryantoro. Look at this. The bench was made of the thick wood with structures from sharp objects on it. Okay, so let me tell you something. The museum is filled with the nuances of Suharto's childhood because this museum is located in the former house of Pak Beitani Pa Prawiro Wiharjo, Suharto's uncle. As a child, he was raised here by his uncle. Next, look at this. There is also a well where the water used to bathe him. In here we call it sumur. So interesting, isn't it? If we can take a bath with this well, the water was so cold and fresh, it can make us lucky as a mite. So let me wash our face in here. Hope we can be the people who always lucky in every occasion. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, apart from being visited by visitors who have an interest in the world of wayang, the museum is sometimes visited by visitors who idolize Suharto. There are some visitors who come here only to remember Suharto's childhood. Usually, wash themselves in the well behind the museum or sumur. They come from Jakarta, Sumatra, and Kalimantan. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the time is over, so I must end my guiding today. We have seen the collection of the puppet here. We have visited the Mr. Suharto's house. In here, we have seen the bench of Mr. Suharto when he still studied in here, and we also have washing our face in the sumur. So I hope you are lucky. Be the person who lucky. Be the people who are lucky. Amin. I do apologize to you all if I have some mistakes. As the tour guide today, I do hope you can visit Wonogiri in the next time. Meet me again. Amin. Stay safe and let's have a coffee break and then I think that's all. Thank you. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.